Hello there, my gorgeous community. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I will be doing a DIY, and for today's special, I am doing a Valentine's theme DIY so you guys could give to your significant other. And if you guys want to see what I made, please keep watching. So you will be needing a foam teddy bear, some scissors that you will be needing throughout the whole project. You'll be needing 2 sets of these flowers, and you can purchase these at Shane, and they're super cheap too. You'll also be needing a box like this, and I purchased this one at the dollar store. It's super big, so you can put stuff in it. You'll also be needing this heart that I have here. So you want to start off by collecting the flowers, and the stick is pretty long, but you don't want it too short or too long, just the right size, so you could have room to stick the flowers in the teddy bear. And you want to align everything so you have an order of where you're going, and so you don't have like bald spots in the teddy bear. You guys will see later on where I do start kind of slacking off, and you can see the holes on the bear, but we could always fix that. Also here, if you want to get a head start, I really recommend that you start cutting most of your flowers before you start your project, just because it is a lot of hassle. As you can see, you have to undo all the flowers and cut it, and it's really hard to do the whole flowers at once because it is wire. So yes, this does require a lot of patience and dedication. As you can see here, this is the length I'm using to cut the flowers, so you guys could get an idea of how much I'm actually cutting. How the flower looks like, as you can see, has cute little hearts around it of match as well. As you can see here, I'm moving on to the other side of the ears, making sure I do go in a line so I don't lose track of my shape. As you can take a look here, this is how I should be looking up top. No gaps, no nothing in between. As you can see here, I'm moving forward again, starting from one end to the other end so I don't lose track of my shape. I have accumulated quite a mess here now. Now moving on to the back side of the teddy bear, and I did kind of didn't go in order towards the back side, but we could always fix that right now and start building up in alignment again so we don't lose track of where we're moving forward to. Now that I'm all done with the bear, we're gonna move on to where we're gonna put it on the box. We're gonna add these pink rose petals inside the box all the way to the top. So you can see there's a lot, and one bag is enough for this box. It's a pretty big box for it to fit the bear and everything else that I add on to it. See how cute it looks. Now we're gonna move on to the so right here I kind of didn't like that idea, so I took it all out and I started off with my balloon first because it was giving me trouble to put it on there since I didn't buy a foam for the bottom of the box, which I really recommend for next time. We're all new, so we're learning. But this is how the final product should look like. Obviously, the balloon is moving all crazily, so we took it out and we are gonna put some duct tape on it, probably like 3 little duct tapes so it stays on there nice and pretty, and it has a really nice position so you can see the words love and appreciate the balloon. Adding a little bit more, as you can see right there. I kind of wasn't looking, and I did the Happy Valentine's edge to the edge, so it kind of looks not centered and even. Gonna set the bear in there. So you can see there's a lot of room in this box. Then we're gonna set the little candle in there. It's just like a whole little Valentine's Day theme. And then we're gonna put a little card, very romantic. Can use that candle for later. And that is it. Look how cute, you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys liked my DIY, and if you guys recreated, please show me on the pictures down below so I can see what you guys did. Most of these stuff I did get them at the dollar store, so you're like looking for a budget here, and it's really nice, super cute. I think it looks super chic. I loved it. You know, can never go wrong with a gift like this. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye.